Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix couldn't add template in Instagram in iPhone. So guys, if you want to add a template on your story in Instagram but you're facing this problem and you're unable to do this, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings in your device and then go to general, go to iPhone storage, scroll it below and go to Instagram and offload your Instagram for one time from here, and then open your app store and search for Instagram. Here it is, and download the latest version of Instagram in your device and then open it and tap on plus button to add your story, and then go to templates and select any template, and now you can see it is working. So guys, now you can add this template on your Instagram story. So guys, simply click the snap and then tap on arrow button and add the template story on your Instagram story. So guys, here you can see this. Simply tap on share button and then done button again, and the story or this template will be added to your story easily. So guys, in this way you can also fix this issue on your Instagram in iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.